Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today's MCQs are all about changed geographical names. These MCQs are taken from different books and past papers which are helpful for all type of competitive exams. Let's get started. The new name of Abyssinia is, the correct answer is D, Ethiopia. The new name of Abyssinia is Ethiopia. Ankara is the new name of Angora. The correct answer is B, Angora. Give the new name of Batavia. Jakarta. The new name of Batavia is Jakarta. The old name of Sri Lanka was Ceylon. So the correct answer is C, Ceylon. East Pakistan is now called Bangladesh. The correct answer is D, Bangladesh. The new name of Sandwich Islands is Hawaiian Islands. The correct answer is B, Hawaiian Islands. The changed name of Persia is Iran. The changed name of Persia is, the correct answer is A, Iran. Give the new name of Constantinople. The correct answer is B, Istanbul. Taiwan is the new name of Formosa. The correct answer is D, Formosa. East Indies is now called Indonesia. The correct answer is C, Indonesia. Nippon is the new name of Japan. Nippon is the new name of, the correct answer is A, Japan. Pipri, Pakistan is new called Bin Qasim. The correct answer is D, Bin Qasim. Myanmar is the changed name of Burma. Myanmar is the changed name of, the correct answer is C, Burma. Siam was the old name of Thailand. The correct answer is A, Thailand. Rangoon's new name is Yangon. The correct answer is D, Yangon. Peking is now called, the correct answer is B, Beijing. Dhaka was formerly called Dhaka. The correct answer is D, Dhaka. Layalpur is now called Faisalabad. The correct answer is A, Faisalabad. Give the old name of Athens. The correct answer is B, Athens. South West Africa is now called Namibia. The correct answer is C, Namibia.